Northrop Grumman just released a turbojet AI-powered precision strike drone, and it's insane. Modern missile technology has advanced more in the last 10 years than during the entire Cold War, but this missile will change how wars are fought forever. This is Northrop Grumman's latest tech, the Jackal Missile. This turbojet-powered precision strike weapon is designed to outpace and outsmart the most sophisticated defense systems, revolutionizing military strategy. Today's armed forces face a lot of challenges. Existing missile systems can't adapt to advanced electronic warfare and rapidly evolving enemy tactics. The rise of drones, hypersonic missiles, and cyber attacks has outpaced traditional missile capabilities. But this missile changes it all. The Jackal was developed in collaboration with AeroVironment, which is a subsection of Northrop Grumman, known for the Switchblade series of loitering munitions. Switchblade loitering munitions means it's a miniature drone designed to act as a suicide weapon, flying into a target area and crashing into it while detonating with explosive warheads. Some key features include turbojet powered, which makes the Jackal capable of speeds of up to 600 kilometers per hour, which is around 380 miles per hour. The Jackal also has an extended range, which means it's capable of striking targets up to 100 kilometers away, surpassing the ranges of previous loitering munitions. It can be launched from air and land platforms, and it can fly from 62 to 115 miles without stopping. Its versatile payload capabilities accommodates both lethal and non-lethal payloads, supporting electronic warfare and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance will now be referred to as ISR. Its advanced guidance systems features autonomous waypoint navigation and automated target detection, powered by AI, which ensures precision even in GPS-denied environments. The drone has a two-way data link and dual electro-optic infrared sensors. Its modular design allows for swappable components to adapt to different mission environments and requirements, from anti-ship to ground target engagements. These capabilities allow for longer ISR missions to gather critical information before launching a lethal strike, providing forces with never-before-seen tactical flexibility. Northrop Grumman's insane engineers created a suicide drone capable of anything from strategic surveillance to precision strikes on armored vehicles. It represents a significant leap forward in drone technology. Now, do you believe the Jackal will redefine military strategies, or is this just the beginning of even greater innovation? Comment down below what you think. If you're interested in more tech breakthroughs, check out our latest video on laser weaponry by the US Navy. Thanks for watching, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.